So students are asked to go on Google, type in Onshape, click sign in. Now, because I've already been on this here, mine is automatically signed in. You'll have to sign in your password and your email address, your school email. Next, you're going to go to Create Documents. I'm going to name this name tag. Okay, that. Now we're waiting for that to load up. This is what we're going to draw. So it's a little square here. It's 40 by 40 square. Then we're going to put out the little circle at the side. So in order to get that there, we'll go up here to Sketch. First thing it's going to ask us, where do we want to sketch? So as we move around the 3 different planes, you can see they change different colors. In this case, we want to do it on the top plane, so we're going to click out here. And then we're going to go over here to the view, and we're going to click there so we can see straight down at the top what we're looking at. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to go center point rectangle. And we're going to move the mouse down to the center and we're going to drag that out, drop it anywhere at all. Then up here we're going to smart dimension it. When you move down to the line, you click on the line, you drag it up, and that's 40. Then you go down to this line, you drag it out, and that's 40 as well. So that's this little square. We're going to take these little bits off in a second, but the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add on this curve at the front. So how we do that, we go up here to 3-point arc. So we click on that, we want it to go there, to there. We'll drag it out to any size. Now you can see there, if you're careful there, you can get it to radius 20. We'll just make it a bit bigger. And then what we'll do is we'll smart dimension it. 20. And there it is now, perfect. Now this line here, we don't actually want this line. So we'll go up here to say it says trim. We'll click on that. We'll get rid of that line. And get rid of that line. So, next what we're going to do, we're going to take this little chamfer off here. So it's in 10 and down 10. So if we go back here to our line, and we click anywhere with our left button, and we drag this down here, anywhere at all, doesn't matter, click there when it was orange. I'm going to go up here again to Smart Dimension, click Smart Dimension. I'm going to click here, I'm going to click here, and we're going to make that there now, 10. And then we're going to click here, and we're going to click here, and we're going to drag it out. And we're going to make this 10. And again, we don't want these 2 lines here, so we're going to trim this, this, and this. The next one now is we want to put a little fillet on it. So if we here, fillet, click here, and we want it to be radius 10. So again, drag it anywhere at all, go up here then, oh, try that again, click here. There we go. We want to smart dimension that to 10. And so now we've got the whole outside of it done, the profile. We've got this, we've got this, we've got this, and we've got this. The last thing we need to do now is to do little holes. So this one is radius 3, and it's right in the center of this arc here, radius 3, and this one here is in the center of this fillet here. So diameter 8, we'll try that one first. So if we go up here to circle, click on that there. We'll go in there, see the way it changes to a different color of orange, drag that out. And the other one is up here, and drag that one out. And this one here now, down here is 8, and this one here is 6. Although it says radius 3, it's diameter 6. So diameter 8 and 6. Smart dimension. This one here we're going to make 8. This one here we're going to make 6. So now we've completed the profile of the shape. We need to give it thickness. We need to give it this 3 millimeters thickness. So how we do that is we go up here to extrude, click on that there. If we move it around, we can see now it's 25 millimeters, way too big. So what we've got to do is 3 millimeters and turn on that. And now we've got our lovely name tag. Now the last thing we want to do is we're going to click top. We want to put our name on it. So go back here to Sketch, It's asking us now, where do we want to sketch? We want to sketch on this plane here. And we want to put our name on it. So you can click anywhere at all. We could smart dimension this, but for now we're just going to write in our name. We can pick that, and there now is your finished name tag.